You just got a notice from your employer that your paycheck's going to be short. You're wondering, why did the IRS levy me? I never got any notices or anything like that. The truth is, before the IRS levies you, they will send several notices over a course of 6 to 12 months. They're going to send you a CP-14, which basically says, hey, you owe balance. Then they're going to send you a CP-501. 501 is sort of like a gentle reminder that you owe back taxes. They're going to send you a CP-503. A 503 is going to be a little bit more firmly written, and it's also going to tell you that there could be a notice of tax lien. CP-504 is going to tell you, hey, you are about to be levied if you don't take action right now. And then finally, the final straw, they're going to send you a letter 1058 or LT11. This one means business. This one tells you you're not going to get any additional notices. We are coming after your paycheck. We are coming after your bank account. If you ignore all of these notices, you'll get a surprise levy that kind of wasn't a surprise because they did send you notice, but you'll get a levy if you ignore all of these notices in the mail. And you're like, but Corey, I never got any notices. I didn't get anything in the mail. I hear you. I hear this all the time. I completely understand. But the reality is they probably mailed it somewhere. Maybe they mailed it to your last known address. Maybe they mailed it to an old P.O. box you used to use. Maybe they mailed it to your mom's house, when you used to live at home. But they probably mailed it somewhere, and more than likely, it's going to be what is considered to be legally sufficient notice of their intent to levy. I had a client once who had moved multiple times, like 5 or 6 times over the last, 5 or 6 years. He had moved multiple times and didn't actually receive the notices that the IRS was sending in the mail. They were going to old addresses. They were going to families' homes. They sent some to previous employers, and he never actually got them. So it kind of was a surprise when he was hit with the levy. We were ultimately able to get his levy released by setting him up with a payment plan. But in the course of all that happening, he lost a paycheck, and he also lost some money out of his bank account because he didn't reach out in time. If you're dealing with the IRS levy and you're not sure what to do, click the link in the description and schedule a free levy release consultation. You can also give us a call at 1-877-LEVY-KING. That's 1-877-538-9546 or www.levyking.com. My team and I will show you exactly how to get your levy released. Talk to you later. Bye.